Ever sent money to a friend and realized you have no idea what their Cash App tag is? Yeah, us too. Cash App, the popular peer-to-peer payment service, has become a go-to for splitting bills, sending birthday cash, or even paying your neighbor kid for mowing your lawn. But with all this digital money flying around, a question pops up: does Cash App require ID? The answer, like most things in life, isn't a simple yes or no. Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of Cash App verification and what it means for you. Cash App 101, Sending and Receiving Without ID. Let's start with the good news. Cash App allows you to send and receive small amounts of money without ever needing to verify your ID. Just download the app, sign up with your phone number and email address, and you're ready to roll. This makes Cash App super convenient for those casual transactions. Need to pay your friend back for that concert ticket? Cash App it. Splitting a pizza with your roommates? Cash App solves that too. But there's a catch, there always is, right? While ID-free transactions are handy, there are limitations. Cash App restricts the amount of money you can send and receive without verification. These limits vary depending on your usage and can change over time, but typically, they fall somewhere around $7,500 sent and $1,000 received within a 30-day period. So, what happens if you hit these limits? Cash App politely but firmly stops you in your tracks. You won't be able to send or receive any more money until you verify your identity. Level up your Cash App with verification. Alright, verification. It might sound intimidating, but it's actually a pretty straightforward process. Cash App asks you to provide your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. They'll also likely request a photo of your government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport. The perks of being verified. Once you verify your ID, welcome to the big leagues of Cash App. Not only are those pesky sending and receiving limits lifted, but you unlock a whole new set of features. Boost your sending limit. We're talking tens of thousands of dollars, depending on your verification and usage history. Invest in stocks. Cash App allows you to buy and sell fractional shares of your favorite companies. Use your Cash App balance to make purchases. Link your Cash App to your debit card and use it at stores and online retailers that accept Visa. Get a cash card. This debit card allows you to spend your Cash App balance anywhere debit cards are accepted. Is verification right for you? The decision to verify your ID on Cash App depends on how you plan to use it. If you're just an occasional user who needs to send or receive small amounts, then verification might not be necessary. However, if you plan on using Cash App more frequently, for larger transactions, or want access to all the features, then verification is the way to go. Security matters. Let's address the elephant in the room: security. Sharing your personal information can feel nerve-wracking. Cash App assures users that they follow industry-standard security practices too. Cash App verification isn't mandatory to use the service, but it unlocks a whole new level of functionality. Weigh the pros and cons based on your needs, and make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.